Well, whether you are still going strong on your New Year's resolutions or you've been living a healthy lifestyle for quite a while, diet, no doubt, a huge part of getting to where you want to go for everybody, for all ages. So we have registered dietitian Madelaine Morrish from A Little Nutrition joining us now with some very tasty looking breakfast ideas. Love having breakfast with you gals. And some great advice, because really no matter what your goals are, what you're doing, if you're a human, you're walking around, you need to eat well.
That's definitely true, right? Yeah.
So let's dig a little bit deeper into that, because sometimes when I hear, and I'm sure I'm not alone on this, eat to build muscle, I automatically think bigger people in the gym lifting huge amounts of weight.
Yeah, and that's usually a common kind of thought, is that like, oh, if I want to gain muscle, I have to be, going to the gym, and like that's only important if I, want to be a bodybuilder. But really, it's important for everyone, because actually as we age, we gradually lose muscle mass, and it's harder to maintain and build that muscle as well. And so with doing that, like, we can reduce some of our strength. So or there's more muscle weakness, making it a bit difficult to do some of our physical activity and just daily activities as well. Also, losing that muscle mass may contribute to some insulin resistance. So that can, influence our blood sugar control too. But diet can definitely help to prevent that.
Good news, because I say that's one of my worst fears about getting older. I don't care about gray hair. I think it actually looks really cool. Wrinkles, that's fine. But I don't want my body to start to feel the effects of being old. And I don't want to get to that point, although I'm sure I will, where I can't do the things I used to love doing.
Yeah. So in order to, be at our best, or feel at our best anyway, we can definitely do a lot to, maintain and build our muscles, even just starting right now, right? So for starters, to help build muscle, we need to make sure that we're including protein and really spreading it actually throughout the day. So protein really is built up of amino acids, and that helps to build up our muscle. And it's definitely important to spread it out throughout the day, so having it at all our meals and our snacks, to really improve what we call that muscle protein synthesis, so building up that muscle.
I love that you have cottage cheese, because if you don't, I don't eat, well, really any meat in my diet, and I always think that eggs, meat, but I like that there's lots of sources of protein.
Oh, absolutely. So usually like eggs, meat, fish are some of the big players, but so is cottage cheese, Greek yogurt, other dairy products, as well as like nuts, seeds, and their butters as well.
Ooh, okay.
So other good sources of protein. It's not just going to be, even like tofu and beans and lentils would be in that category as well.
Oh, you had me at nut butters.
Yeah.
I have been literally drooling over these little wrap-ups you have. Protein, not my favorite thing, but carbs, oof, cannot live without. I'm so happy that you like carbs.
Yeah. And actually, did you know that carbohydrates are important too for building our muscle?
Love that. That's music to my ears on a Monday.
Yeah. Well, actually, carbohydrates are quite important, because it is our body's preferred source of fuel. So to perform our exercises and other things as well, and to really help build the muscle too. And actually, if our body isn't getting enough carbohydrates in our diet, it can actually start to break down protein in order to get the preferred source of fuel that it needs. So really, we want to help prevent that, right? We want to preserve that muscle and keep the protein just to build and maintain that muscle and for that structure. Because really, it would be the equivalent of if, let's say, you took the woodwork of your home and you put it into your fireplace to fuel it, right? It's going to be really hard to maintain that structure.
Stealing one for, I guess, what's the word I'm looking for? To supplement the other one.
Yeah.
Man, bodies are smart.
Yeah, they are fantastic there too. So it is really good to get a combination of, carbohydrates are just as important as that protein to really reach your, whether you're that bodybuilder or you're just the average Joe.
I love that. Okay, we have a couple seconds left. So if folks out there watching, listening, they think I want more on this, or they have some other eating challenges, dilemmas, questions for you gals, how do we reach out to you?
You can actually contact us at www.alittle.nutrition.com.